Good morning, happy Saturday. I'm doing like a 2-day vlog, weekend vlog. I'm just making myself some breakfast right now. I just got ready. My camera ended up dying, so I finished like recording like my outfit and stuff on my phone. But it's time for breakfast, and perfect timing because my dad just texted me if I wanted a coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, and I was like, you know what, fine. It's funny because yesterday I was just telling my boyfriend, I was like, oh, I'm kind of in the mood for coffee tomorrow because I usually have coffee on the weekends and matcha during the week, and I was just like, crazy timing how my dad was like, do you want some Dunkin' today? So getting that, and I'll drink that after I eat my breakfast. I'm just making my typical rice cake breakfast. But if you are new here, welcome. My name is Bruna. I do lots of vlogs here on my channel, and if not, then welcome back to another vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe. I woke up literally starving this morning. I also need to wash my Stanley. Literally, my dad sent me an article and it was talking about reusable bottles and how it harbors like 40,000 times more bacteria than like the toilet or something like that. So I posted a TikTok sharing that with everyone because I'm like, it sounds like common sense, like wash your stuff every day, but I think because people think it's just water, like nothing wrong can happen, or like there's no bacteria or whatever, but you're wrong. Wash your emotional support water bottles every single day. So here is the full outfit of the day. I just threw on some jeans. These are the garage jeans that I've been obsessed with lately. It's like their mom jeans, so it has like a little rip, and they're high-waisted, and then this crew neck from Princess Polly is my favorite. It's so comfy. It's like my OG crew neck, and then I threw my hair up in like a half a little clip situation. My hair is super curly and wavy today, and it's Saturday. We're going to my aunt's house today actually for like a family just get together, just play games, catch up, because we haven't seen them in a while since like the holidays, so that should be really fun. Usually I would have celery juice or my bone broth or kombucha in the morning, but I actually don't have any of the three options, so we're just having water and not doing any of that. I need to restock, so like half of the week I'll do celery juice every morning, and then the other half of the week I'll do kombucha or I'll do bone broth, so it's kind of like whatever. I don't do like 3 things in one day either, so that's just like a lot. But yeah, I need to definitely restock probably tomorrow because tomorrow's Sunday. I can literally eat 5 of these. They're so addicting. I'm not even kidding you guys. I feel like I go through always like a fixation when it comes to breakfast. Before it was my egg breakfast and like hash browns, and this, oh my god. Okay, just came over to my room now. I was just sitting in the living room. I was just sitting in the kitchen with them, drinking my coffee, just kind of like chatting in the morning. And I just showed you guys, I just got a medium hot latte with sugar and almond milk. And I actually need to pack up a little bag because I'm gonna be, after my aunt's house and stuff, my boyfriend is gonna meet us there. But then I'm gonna be staying at his house tonight, so I'm gonna pack up a little bag. Right now, I need to actually get a video uploaded to YouTube. It's already approved and everything. I just need to do the thumbnail and get that up before we head out. I think we're leaving in about an hour. I also am already almost at 11K on TikTok. 2 videos of mine did really well yesterday. Alright, I just uploaded my YouTube video and I got some of my things out so I can just quickly pack up my little tote bag. And I really love how the thumbnail came out today. Hi guys, we just got back and got to my boyfriend's house. Anyways, we just got back and I'm so cold actually. It's like 12:26 right now, so I'm just going to shower, go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. And yeah, no matter how late it gets, I always shower, wash my face, all that stuff, because I can't just go to bed, you know, like I have to do the whole thing. There's nothing like the sunlight coming in the morning. It's honestly so nice. I really love it. It makes me feel so just like happy, and I just love the sunlight, especially because when I'm home in my room I don't get great like lighting. But anyways, just got up not too long ago. Definitely slept in because I got home pretty late and slept pretty late, so had to sleep in. It's usually how my weekends go. I feel like I sleep in usually on the weekends and then start back up with everything on Monday, give my body rest, sleep early Sunday nights. So like I said, I'm just getting enough rest. Also love this set. This is the Amazon set. So comfortable, and yesterday was so much fun. I didn't vlog a lot because we were just playing games and just hanging out. I just recorded snippets of my night. It feels weird every time like I do something like that. I feel like, okay, I have to get back into reality. It's just like weird, but it's also a nice break from everything that I do and like getting off my phone and stuff, so that was nice. But it's time to brush my teeth and wash my face. Definitely am like dehydrated. I don't think I drank enough water yesterday at all. Like I know I didn't drink enough water yesterday, so I need to definitely drink water, eat breakfast, probably make a matcha today or something. I have you guys literally on this little plant, but anyways, I'm just throwing on something over what I wore to sleep, honestly, because I'm gonna go home to eat and then also make my matcha, and then I'll just come back because I didn't bring anything to eat because we just came here right from my aunt's house. So, and you guys know how I am with my breakfast. I need to have it, and I don't crave anything else when I get up in the morning. And also like my matcha stuff is not here, like my matcha whisk and my milk, and I forgot to bring socks, so now I have these super long socks to put on. I have my matcha and it's actually really good. So also my sister was just texting me because she's like, oh, it's gonna be so nice. Like, what are you doing? It's actually like 60 degrees today, which is really nice, and we got the window open so for some fresh air. But she was saying if like we want to play tennis. We actually were playing tennis a lot last year. I don't know if you guys remember. We started playing last summer, I would say, or I think it was last summer, and it's actually really fun. So we'll see if like me, her, my brother, and one of her friends come to play tennis. That'll be something to do outside. And even though it's Sunday and I still have like my other things I need to get done, like laundry, typical Sunday reset things, but I think getting outside to play tennis would be really fun today, so we'll see if that happens. I cannot believe also that it's the last week of March and we're about to be in April. I'm back home and I'm about to get ready for tennis. My sister's gonna pick us up, so I'm changing now. I'm definitely not wearing this because it's not that nice out, but it is pretty nice. So I'm gonna change. I'm not exactly sure what I'm changing it to. Probably just leggings. I think I have leggings clean. I do need to do laundry when I get back. I've been doing clips so that my hair is not getting like breaking in a bun, because when you do slick back buns and you're tying your hair constantly, that can like break your hair. So trying to be more mindful of that. So I think I'm gonna wear just this one jumpsuit from Garage. It's super cute, and I'm gonna wear this. Oh, there's a hair on it, of course. And I'm gonna just throw on a black crew neck over top. Outfit for tennis, just all black, and I'm gonna put my sneakers on, and they're here, so I need to hurry up because they are honking because me and my brother took a little long to get ready, but it's fine. Ready for tennis. It's hard to record us playing because usually my mom would record, but they didn't come today. It's just us, and I had to go fetch a ball that I hit over the fence. They should really put like an extra net. I guess we just need to get better, but it's fun, a good little workout, getting some air on a Sunday, because usually we don't really go to the gym on Sundays, so we're getting in a little workout, movement, something calm. It feels good. Tennis was fun. I just finished eating some lunch, a little late lunch. I just had oatmeal. They're actually going to the market right now, so I didn't have bananas to add into my oatmeal like usual, so I just put a little bit of blueberries, and I also don't have any chia seeds. I should take a trip to Trader Joe's someday this week too. I usually get my chia seeds from there, and there's something else I wanted. Oh, my brother was telling me that they have really good muffins that are gluten-free, and I'm gonna throw in my laundry right now because I need to still do laundry and get my life together. I just put the little Swiffer thing on here so I can dust down the walls, dust down my computer area and the TV stand, because I try to do this at least like every Sunday just to get all the dust so it doesn't build up, because it can get super dusty in here. I got a new towel as well, so nothing like a fresh new towel. It's nice and thick and also super warm because my parents just came back from doing laundry and they threw this in with theirs. Okay, everything is clean. It's also been a while since I planned out like a full list of YouTube videos, and I feel like for the springtime, and I just want to like sit, it's Sunday, I just want to sit and really plan out my videos for the week and just any ideas that I can get to within maybe the next couple of weeks. I just kind of like to plan ahead, you know, obviously vlogs, but there's certain things, certain specific videos maybe that I want to film, or certain things that I want to maybe add into certain vlogs. So I just want to do some planning with that, and then also plan out my week with my iPad. So I'm gonna sit on my computer. It's my first time being on my computer and it's 6 o'clock. It's been a long day and time is flying, but I love that it's still light outside. So yeah, let's get to doing some planning. Cannot believe we're in the last week. Oh, and this is the app that I use. It's called Pencil Calendar. Just ate dinner and folding is not the vibe. I'm so full. I literally feel so bloated, and it's not because I ate anything like with gluten or anything, but I think because I'm getting my period soon, I'm just like, I feel so full after I eat like anything. It's crazy. But laundry is about to be done folding. I just got in some fresh clean pajamas. My bed is all fresh and clean. Just showered. I look absolutely bizarre. My mom made me tea while I was showering because my body, I'm just like so, like my body feels like it's so run down today. I'm like, I did so much. I went to play tennis. I've just been like running around. I feel like my house, just getting things cleaned up, organized, put away, and my body right now just needs to chillax. So I am gonna have my tea and I'm gonna watch Love Island UK and kind of just now unwind for this Sunday before I go to sleep. And then after that one episode, I'm gonna go to sleep because I just want good rest. And let me make sure my Hatch alarm is set to the right time. So you can just click the button on the back and it pretty much tells you what alarm time you have on for tomorrow, so you could double check to make sure one is on. And then there's another button if you don't want an alarm that day, and you could just turn it off, but it'll keep your schedule the same from your app. Okay, episode is done. If you hear music, it's my Hatch because I have the unwind on, and so it plays a little soft music so I can get ready for bed. And I'm so tired and I'm so excited to sleep. My body is ready to knock out. My legs are so sore. I did legs 2 days ago and I feel like I'm always more sore the second day after. I feel like I've heard that before too, so let me know if that happens too. But yeah, my legs are so freaking sore, plus running around and playing tennis today, so I need some rest. And I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and I'm vlogging tomorrow, so I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe down below, and I'll see you all in my next video.